this video you are going to learn how to install WordPress pop-up plugin for free 2020 tutorial. So guys, before I begin, my name is Yavar Khan. I create a lot of WordPress tutorial plugin reviews and how to build an online business, so please consider subscribing. Now let's get back to the video. So now currently I am in dashboard. So to install our WordPress pop-up plugin, all you have to do is click on plugins, click on add new, and just type sumo, okay, and press enter. So the first one which comes, sumo boost conversion and sales, it has more than 100,000 active installations. So you have to just click on install now, and for me this is one of the best free pop-up plugins, and it's free. So you can just click on activate. So once it's activated, you need to connect. So I'm just gonna go and connect right now. So sign up with Google, so I'm just gonna sign up. So I'm just logging in, and this is how it is right now. If I just click on dashboard, so this is how my dashboard looks for sumo. All you have to do is just click on my apps, and then this is the newsletter, you could say turn on, and that's it. This is how it is. So now all I have to do is, that's it guys, I don't have to do nothing. It's already installed on my website and it looks really cool. So if you go to a blog post, so it will pop up. I need to open an incognito. So if I just do this, so just you have to refresh the page, and this is how it looks. Join your newsletter, and you can just click enter your email ID, and your email ID would get collected in the sumo website. So let me go to the backend. So if I go over here, so these are your forms. So you just have to click on edit. You can make any changes you want. You could choose your goal, you could choose your form type. Scroll box would be, if you scroll, then in the newsletter pop-up box would appear. I would always suggest that keep on pop-up, and design, just leave this as it is. If you want, you could just use the free ones. I think so there are very less free ones. Let me check. Yeah, a lot of them are paid. So this invisibility, it's smart. That's the reason I couldn't see the pop-up. So it always decides itself. If you want, you could do a manual mode, and then you could choose your manual setting, but I would always leave to smart mode. And success, so this is how success would be. So once someone puts their email ID where you want them, so you could add in pixel, you can add a Facebook pixel, you can add Google pixel, and then you could retarget them. Or if you want to redirect them to some other page URL, you could redirect them, and that's it. And then you can connect to email services like MailChimp or Weber. And by the way, if you ask my suggestion, I would tell you that go for Weber, one of the best email marketing platform, and I have a 20% discount as well, and the reporting is really good for Weber. So if you're buying, check down the link and go for Weber. I've tried all rest of them, and they all are not that compared to Weber. The pricing is good. And one more is ConvertKit, but it's a little bit expensive, and yeah, it's this one, little bit expensive. So I would suggest go for Weber, and that's it. And if you're looking for a really good paid pop-up plugin, then I would suggest that you need to go to my website. Currently I'm using a pop-up plugin from Elegant Themes. So this pop-up looks really good, and then even you could see here there's a pop-up, and if I scroll down more, there'd be one more pop-up. Yeah, this one. So this is by Elegant Themes, and it's called Bloom. Again, if I have a 20% discount, and for sure I would get a little kickback if you use my link, but these are the best pop-up plugins, but these are paid. You need to pay $89, but then you could use it a lifetime. So I had purchased this back, I think so 2012, and I got it for really cheap. That time it was $64. I got the themes, I got the plugins, I got everything. So for me, it was, back then it was a bit expensive, but now it's just $84. So I would say just grab onto this offer, and it looks really cool. And I think so that's it. And guys, if you're looking to optimize, if you're looking to create a website, or if you're wondering how to create a professional website, so I've created a free crash course on how to build a WordPress website from scratch. The link is down below. It's a free course, and I will show you some techniques to get free traffic to your website. Go and check it out. And that's it for today's video, and I will see you in the next video. Yavar Khan signing off.